Stop! I want to show
Touch
you.
my hairy hand.
Don't! I want to show you what you're like when you try to fix something.
I'm not like anything. I'm just trying to say
Yeah, you're like a raging maniac.
You're a raging maniac.
Better watch how you talk to me with that pretty little mouth.
Oh, shit.
Don't you dare pee on me. You!
You're not holding back because I'm taping, are you?
It's not really helping.
What?
The lights.
Yes, it is. I'm giving you extra light.
Yeah. How do I know if it's? How do I know if it's lined up or not?
Do you look at it?
No, there's no reference points. So I mean, like, what am I supposed to?
When you try to clip the cover on, it won't go on if it's not lined up. You would think they would have made it easier, right?
I guess.
You're just a